Hello guys, for today's video, mag-experiment kami ni Cupcake ng deluxe sandwich. So first, we're going to melt the butter. So that is 1 cup of butter. Okay. So you have to melt the butter first. So after we're gonna melt the butter, we're going to add the flour. Okay, that is 1 cup of flour. Okay, so just stir it until it mix well. Okay, then after the flour and butter, mix it well and blend it. Just blend it well. Okay, just stir it. Okay, then after that we're going to add a dash of black pepper. Okay, mix it again. Just mix and mix, mix. Just stir it. Okay, stir it well. Then we're going to add the evaporated milk. Okay, stir it constantly. So Cupcake is trying to open the evaporated milk. There you are. So that is 1 cup of evaporated milk. Just stir it. Okay, stir it well. Okay, see? Look. Stir it well. Mix. Okay. Then we have to add we're going to add the cheese as well. Okay. Mix well. Look. Now the flour is cooked already. So let's wait for a while because we're going to add the chicken broth. Before we can add the cheese, we have to add the 3 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. Okay, because a while ago we boiled the 1 breast of chicken for the fillings of this deluxe sandwich. Okay, stir just a little bit. Okay, until it will blend it. Okay, no girdle. I hate girdle flours. Okay. Then add the cheese. It's cheesy time. So that is 1 cup of cheese as well. Okay, just make so. We'll try it. How does it taste? Okay, wow. Nice. It's perfect. Now we're going to chop pickled chips. Then add to 1 cup of mayonnaise. Okay, mix it well. Let's see. I mix 1 cup of mayonnaise and 3 pieces or 5 pieces of pickled chips. Yes. bit of dash of sugar. Okay, then mix it again. Mix it well until it will blend. Okay, blend. Mix it well. Then we add the chicken. So we add the chicken. We shred the chicken. Because a while ago we boiled one breast of chicken. Then after that we shred it into small pieces. And look, so that's the filling of our sandwich. And as you can see, a while ago we cooked 2 pieces of ham. Okay, look, so nice and yummy. So that's it. Okay, done. Now we're going to make a sandwich. First, you have to toast the bread, then add the chicken filling. Okay, just spread the chicken filling into the bread. Look. So then, okay, after that, just look up carefully how we make the deluxe chicken sandwich. Okay, then add the ham, 1 square ham on the second part. Then put a little bit of mayonnaise. Okay, put a little bit of mayonnaise at the top of the ham. Okay, then put 2 pieces of pickled chips both sides. Then put the other slice of bread. Then slice it into 2. That's it. You have to slice it. Okay, then put into the plate. Then add the melted creamy cheese at the top. Okay, so you can spread your creamy cheese, the one that we made a while ago, all over the bread. That's it. That's it. Perfect. Okay, so if you have an extra cinnamon powder, you can spread the cinnamon powder at the top of the bread. Thank you for watching.